the entire order be. If you are referring to the Facebook post, from my check, it's fake. It was April Fool.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. It's Ghana be yeni. Yeah, man Ghana. So mine be ya every yenara ebe yeni. Now, Mbekaya, last week, the former Deputy Education Minister, Honorable Ntim Fojo, or who did press conference be. In that press conference, he brought a couple of issues to the light, especially said some planes be by Ghana how overstay or stay and all those things. And the fact say some of these planes might be linked with the cocaine business that is going on, and the fact say cocaine business, drug transactions is on the rise. He again mentioned say we were told that national security has gone to seize some things. I believe pay fake dollars, CDs, and drugs and gold and all those things. There was a large GB storehouse and all those things. We have not heard anything about it. They just break the news and then that is the end. You don't hear the aftermath, whatever happens later, nothing of the sort. So Oka said, okay, if that is the case, government needs to give us an update. Okay. And the fact say under John Mahama, just this past 3 months, we are hearing a lot of guns, we are hearing a lot of cocaine and all those things. He's calling on the security agencies, intelligence services to map up, how do you call it, surveillance, because it is giving a bad name to our beloved republic, our motherland, Ghana. So this is what he brought to the fore. Now, okay, and 1st April, I think 2 days ago, we saw on the official accounts of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama a statement. Which statements are, from all indications, is coming from the president himself. Because Obiantimi posted BB on the official page of the president that will that would not be sanctioned by the president himself. So we all know that whatever has been typed on John Mahama's page, from John Mahama himself, and I'm coming to read the statement. I'm coming to read the statement to you, as captured on the official page. Now, it says that same page, and His Excellency John Mahama, Eddie Meki, some public announcement say we ye levy, we ye betting tax, and all the others. So we cannot be told later on say April Fool.
So media for and it wouldn't take the president to order such an investigation. It will mean that the president is interfering in the work of our intelligence agencies. And some politicization is true, say by constitution and the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. It's ceremonial. Until you order the Ghana Army so AOB, unless powers are everyone who under the constitution say be obetma declare war. But almost day to day they are insulated from the executives. They are supposed to do their professional work as it is. So I'll be surprised say the alleged Facebook post it will be coming from the president. Otherwise it will be an insult to our heads of our intelligence agencies. Because if they really know what they are doing and they are on top of issues, Omukra say most of our security agencies, no public relations office, Omukra na say responding to some of these allegations. And yet bibia wo krum ha na yede be NDC NPP President Ankasa hwim koso. You reduce your security agencies into the whims and caprices of your mampenia and the MYA as a country. So to me, I cannot talk about any expectations where there's no such order until I see an official communication, what I say, from the presidency, either signed by his executive secretary or Honorable Kwacha. Any Facebook, to me, is propaganda at best. It was an April Fool. And you can check with the presidency if the president indeed gives such an order.
Now, a page in this, I say, okay, Eronie, it reads, and I'm sure I'll put it on there for you also to read. My attention has been drawn to allegations made at a press conference by an honorable member of parliament, Reverend John Intimfojo, regarding two suspicious flights arriving at the Kotoka International Airport suspected to be involved in drug trafficking and money laundering. Government takes all allegations seriously, and to ensure a thorough and transparent investigation, I have directed all relevant investigative agencies, including the Narcotics Control Commission, the Police CID, the National Investigation Bureau, and the National Security Coordinator, to immediately and fully collaborate with the Honorable Member of Parliament so he provides all necessary information to investigate the allegations and take all action necessary to expose any drug dealing. We will maintain zero tolerance for using Ghana as a transit or final destination for drugs or drugs trafficking. The NIB made a high-profile bust of drugs last week with a straight value of $350 million US. So this is on the page of the president. Just for a security analyst, and security analyst we onye nipa bikeo trustworthy security analyst to come and tell us say post where John Mahama, His Excellency, release on social media no April Fool. Or see, he has made his checks, which checks involve calling the communication at the presidency and all to authenticate. Say, President Uneka somewhere, and he was still saying April Fool. So this is where we are now as a nation. Say no. Who report our official Facebook account of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama untimi fan of serious biom. Esther say you can be told tomorrow say April Fool. Now my question is are the slave queens back to the presidency? Because you were made aware by some two slave queens said they were managing the account in the first coming of John Mahama. And with the kind of the trend and they say they have how do you call it? They have hacked into the account of the president. Tomorrow we are hearing say statement V has been released and is April Fool. With the trend of these days now, Charlie John Mahama, damn you. What else have you not yet seen under this government? This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.